Alright everyone, so in this video I'm going to go over in Humana Vantage how to order marketing things like non-branded or branded flyers, how to order them. You can print them out, download them, customize them, and send them out or hang them up. But where do you find that? So when you log into Vantage, under Sales and Marketing, the first one is Marketing Resource Center, and this is where you'd go to click to go ahead and look for all the different kinds of things. Now there is a lot of stuff, so I'm kind of just going to go briefly over where things probably are that you're looking for, and also kind of like the promotion items, and that's all in here too. So you're going to go to menu, because they do have like a way to search by what you want, but I don't really know how to use that. You guys can go explore, but for me, what I want a lot of times could be here. So the orders, you can order promotion items, greeting cards, bulk print, T65, direct mail. You can order lists, and you can look for emails. Content stuff, this content stuff kind of goes into like based on what the content of the actual flyer is, and it breaks it down to consumer segment, time of year, the type of event material, document types like flyers, posters, postcards, letters. Content bundle is going to be kind of like if you just want to batch everything together. Orders, so promotional items are here. So if you're looking for promotional items, you're going to click here, and then you can order things like jackets. I don't know if you've seen me wear my Humana jacket, stress balls, all that kind of stuff, and it'll tell you how much it is. And you do have to order these things in bulk if you want this pricing. Example, hand sanitizer. If you want a hand sanitizer, they're $1.92 a piece, but you do have to order a lot of them. So let's just check how many you have to order to get that type of pricing. 100. So you'd have to spend $192 in order to order this for $1.92. Back to search results. Okay, so these are the different types of things. You can go peruse or browse through there if you were interested in those. What I like to look for a lot of times are non-branded things. So let's go type marketing for MAPD plans and see what it gives us. So see, employee evidence of health status. I highly doubt anybody's gonna ask for this unless you're looking for this, but you can mark it to any of these. I usually pick something like member. It does again take a while. If you've watched other of my Humana videos, you know that a lot of times Humana's things can be a little bit clunky. Actually, you know what? These are very, so one of the things that you want to kind of do, Humana has a ton of different language things available in different types of language. So I'm trying to look to see if I can get, here we go. So English, this will eliminate all the non-English speaking things. But if that's your audience, hey, you can go find some here. And then product type, Medicare Advantage. You can find all kinds. They have tons of stuff. So a lot of this is going to just be knowing what you want versus kind of knowing or just perusing. It's going to be very difficult to find something like if you're just looking for what's good. You have to know what you want to find. So if you want silver sneaker stuff is here. My Humana stuff is here. For me, I'll look for something like maybe if I want to do Medicare Advantage dental. So I might go ahead and, oops, there we go. you cannot right click and open a new tab, or at least you cannot in Chrome. So this is a Medicare Advantage, makes it easy to get your dental. This is what the Medicare Advantage for people who have dental on Medicare Advantage plan and a mandatory supplemental benefit. This is how they would present their card and for coverage. Now I'm gonna go back to home as soon as I can, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna kind of go over flyers. So I want to find, let's see what promotional, no, document type. Let's try there. What I want is a flyer, because I want to be able to have a non-branded flyer that I've made before. Well, they don't have a non-branded one up here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to products, Medicare, nope, content. Just going to go flyer and see if I can find a non-branded Humana flyer. And the reason why I would be looking for a non-branded, is that they don't have any non-branded anything, is because I want to be able to create kind of a way that I am not tied to Humana, because I represent more than just one carrier, and I just want people to know, wow, there's no year-round marketing. I want people to know that I can help help everyone. So let's see how that works. Let's see if there's an original Medicare flyer that sounds like what I would say. Well, there's nothing. As you can see, finding the ones that is right for you can take time. So during the AEP prep time, find the ones that would make sense to you. Right? So let's go with prospect. Let's see, there's only 2 prospect documents here, so let's find out what those look like. Oh, they're both mailers or postcards. Okay, so as you can see, it's not that good. I mean, I'll be honest, I had higher hopes because I made a couple flyers from here before. Let's try select by. Let's see if I can get in. Oh, I already can select one. Try Medicare Advantage, because I already tried the agent and there was nothing. Wow. Let's go over prospect. Nope, same thing. So I guess you are gonna have to kind of type in something here. Let's type in non-branded and see what happens. So I remember they had a pretty good non-branded flyer that I printed out. Non-iron, huh? Non-association summary. They don't even have the brand thing in here. Let's try to see if I can find something. Remember, for whatever reason, Humana, when you type in next, it stays at the bottom of the page. Benefit summary. You really got some nice clothes, though, I must say. Humana has some really nice clothing. I've ordered some clothing before. Very nice. brand names. These are branded. Okay, well, maybe it's no brand. That'd be closer. Again, as you can see, it does take time to look for these types of things. Nope, nothing. Well, just look to see if there's anything in here that is useful to you. Ask your area marketing broker to find out what they've been using. I'll be honest, I thought I'd be able to find the ones that I use, but it looks like I can't. Let's go all the way back to like January of, I go back to, yeah, let's go back beyond there. Let's go back from when I started, and might not be able to find anything. Search. Nope. I guess I didn't really save it to here. Well, that's kind of, I guess, it. I mean, I'm sorry for those of you who watch and who are hoping for some magical thing at the end, but you're just gonna have to, I guess, look for, you know, kind of things and make decisions based on those things as you can find, or ask the area marketing person, because yeah, these look very, very just trying to see what this looks like. Again, I'm honestly kind of disappointed here. See what this looks like. Come on. Oh, these are only showing 2022 plans. Well, let's just look what it looks like so I can have a good idea of what let's see what this looks like. Oh, do not have all required fields. Let's see what it shows me here. But this is kind of like how the customization of products works. So regardless of whether or not, hopefully if you guys are still here, you can see that this is kind of how long it takes, and it does take a while. So make sure that you are not doing this like before you go out and do something, like before scheduling. Do this like in your off time, or like in my case when you're making the video. I honestly thought this would be much quicker. Obviously I was mistaken. Wow, this may not even finish before. I wonder if this thing is frozen. This is a long time. It's been over a minute. Alright, well, we can see that that didn't work. Well, Marketing Center, it is good for a few things, but as you can see, it's not good for a lot. They got a lot of resources on there, so if you really want to do something in the Marketing Center, go ahead. But it may be quite difficult, as you can see my troubles. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.